whitefish or lake trout, boiled potatoes, corn on the cob, and top it off with a nice piece of homemade pie. Now, just thinking about that makes my mouth water. And I hope when you get back to Bayfield, you get a chance to stop into one of our restaurants there and try the local fish, the whitefish or the lake trout. Every restaurant makes it a little differently, and in a lot of cases, that fish could have been caught this morning. If you feel a little adventurous, I'd recommend that you try the local delicacy, and that would be whitefish livers. And they're really tasty. Usually they saute them with onions and peppers or some other things. And again, every restaurant makes them a little different. They're kind of rich, so I just recommend getting the appetizer plate and sharing that with everyone at the table. If you really like them, then you can order more. Legs out behind him. Now, one of my deckhands once told me, she said, Captain Gordy, I don't think that looks like a bear. I think it looks like a platypus. And then the other deckhand chimed in and he said, no, it's not a platypus, it's a crocodile. Now, I don't believe the Ojibwe had any words in their language for platypus or crocodile, so I'm happy to continue to call it Bear Island. But you're welcome to call it whatever you like.